Hello everyone, welcome back to this video. Today, we are going to talk about something that has become part of our daily lives, the internet. Every day, billions of people around the world use the internet. We use it to communicate, to watch videos, to search for information, and to connect with others. But there is an important question we must ask ourselves. Are we using the internet in the right way? Many people spend hours every day scrolling on social media, watching random videos, and chatting online. Sometimes we open our phones for just 5 minutes, but we end up spending 2 or 3 hours. Time passes quickly, and at the end of the day, we realize we have learned nothing new. The truth is this: the internet can either build your future or waste your time. Part 1. Understanding internet use. Before we talk about how to use the internet wisely, we need to understand why we spend so much time online. The internet is designed to capture our attention. Notifications, endless videos, and new posts are made to keep us scrolling. It's easy to get lost in this cycle and forget our goals. But recognizing this is the first step to taking control of our time. Part 2. Tips for using the internet wisely. Here are some practical tips to help you make the most of your online time. Set goals before you go online. Ask yourself, what do I want to achieve today? Am I learning, working, or just killing time? If you know your purpose, it's easier to avoid distractions. Limit distractions. Social media and random videos can be fun, but they are often time traps. Try scheduling specific times to check social media instead of opening apps mindlessly. Verify information. Not everything online is true. Fake news spreads quickly. Always check multiple sources before believing or sharing content. Take breaks. Spending long hours online can strain your eyes and mind. Step away from your screen regularly to rest and recharge. Learn and grow. The internet is full of learning opportunities, tutorials, online courses, articles, and videos that teach new skills. Make a habit of dedicating time to learning something new every day. Part 3. Balancing online and offline life. Even if you follow all the tips above, it's important to remember, life happens offline too. Spend time with family and friends, exercise, read books, or explore nature. When you balance your online and offline activities, you enjoy both worlds without feeling drained. Part 4. Final thoughts. The internet is a tool. It can either build your future or waste your time. By being intentional, setting goals, and using it wisely, you can make every click count. Remember, you are in control of your online life, not the apps or websites. Use it to learn, connect, and grow, and you'll see amazing results in your personal and professional life. Thank you for watching. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more videos about using technology wisely.